Listen to part of a conversation in the bookstore.
Excuse me. I'm looking for someone who can help me with the textbook reservation program.
Oh, well, I can do that. What do you need?
Okay, my friend told me that I could get used books if I pre-order them now.
That's right. You want to do that?
I think so, but I'm not sure how it works.
Actually, it's fairly straightforward. We have a short form for you to fill out. Do you know what you're going to take next semester?
Yeah, I do.
And you have the course names and the schedule numbers for all your classes?
Uh-huh.
Okay, then. Just put that information down on the form and make a check mark in the box if you want recommended books as well as required books. And you said you were interested in used books, right?
Right.
So mark the box for used books, sign the form, and bring it back to me.
Do I have to pay now, or do you want a deposit?
No, you can pay when you pick up the books.
And when can I do that?
The week before classes begin.
That's good, but, what if I change my schedule? I don't plan to, but...
It happens. Don't worry. If you change classes, you can just bring the books back anytime 2 weeks from the first day of class to get a full refund. Of course, you'll need the original cash register receipt and a photo ID. And if it's a new book, you can't have any marks in it. But you said you wanted used books, so it won't matter.
Yeah, that's the main reason why I want to do this, because I'll have a better chance to get used books.
If there are used books available and you mark the form, that's what we'll pull for you.
Okay, thanks a lot. I'll just fill this out and bring it back to you later today. I don't have all the numbers with me, the section numbers for the classes.
Fine. We need those numbers because when different professors are teaching the same class, they don't always order the same books.
Right. So, will you be here this afternoon?
I probably will, but if I'm not, just give the form to the person in this office. Don't give it to one of the student employees, though. They're usually very good about getting the forms back to the office, but sometimes it gets really busy, and you know how it is.
Sure. Well, I'll bring it back to the office myself.
That's probably a good idea. And one more thing. I should tell you that the used books tend to go first. So if you want to be sure that you get used books...
You know what? I'm going to go right back to the dorm to get those numbers now, while you're still here.
Okay, that's good.
What does the man need from the bookstore? What does the man need if he wants a full refund? Listen again to part of the conversation and then answer the following question.
Don't give it to one of the student employees, though. They're usually very good about getting the forms back to the office, but sometimes it gets really busy, and you know how it is.
What does the woman mean when she says this?
Sometimes it gets really busy, and you know how it is.
What does the woman imply about the used books she sells? What does the man need to do now?